So I have given you one problem, I think so. So convert 1 millimeter per hour to 1 meter per second. One millimeter per hour to convert it into meter per second. So we all did this. Good. Okay. So 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. We know. So 1 millimeter will be 1 by 1000 meter. Okay, hour is equal to 3600. 1 hour is 3600 second. Okay, so if we are going to just convert it, so 1 millimeter, so millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000. So that is 1 by 1000 divided by second. So just convert hour into second. So second is actually 3600 second. 3600 second. So that is equal to 1 by 36 by 1 2 3 4 meter per second. That is it. We already discussed this. Good. Next, one more example. Ten millimeter per second to no 10 kg meter per second to ग्राम कन्वर्ट करना है ग्राम सेंटीमीटर पर आवर में convert it, just convert it, do it fast everyone, please. Convert 10 kg meter per second to gram centimeter per hour. Convert it quick, waiting. कबीर, ओके, रोनित, प्रीशा. Okay, so now I'm going to solve. Please check. This is 10 is as it is 10. So I'm just going to convert kg into gram. So kg, so 1000 gram, meter to centimeter. To centimeter is 100 centimeter. Second to hour. So I know 3600 second is equal to 1 hour. So 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 hour. So I'm just going to put it. So second को hour में convert करना है. So I'm just going to put 1 by 3600. Sorry, 1 divided by 3600 hour. So you will get what? 10 into 1000 into 100 into 3600 gram centimeter per hour. So you will get how much? So 30405067 8 to 36 into 10 to the power 8 gram centimeter per hour. Okay, that is the answer. Anyone got this answer? We are just converting one unit to another unit. Okay, this question is the actually based on the conversion of units. गुड. जिसके जिसके आंसर आ गए हैं वो बहुत अच्छा. जिनको नहीं आए हैं प्लीज सी क्यों नहीं आए. प्लीज फॉलो. ओके तन्वी. Okay, noted everyone. Noted. Tell me. Okay, next question. Ten kg per millimeter to convert करना है. Suppose this is equal to x milligram per kilometer. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. What is the value of x? Here kg per millimeter, here milligram per kilometer. Convert it, and what is the value of x? Just tell me. What is your answer? Waiting. Giving you 2 minutes. सोचो, solve करो. These are the basic things. How much gram is equal to 1 kg? How much milligram is equal to 1 kg? You will have to just convert it. No, not x is equal to 10. बोला ना दो. Just take 2-3 minutes and then solve. Don't be in hurry. Am I audible? So how many kgs, how much milligram is equal to 1 kg? I'm just saying you, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg, and 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram, and 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. Okay, giving you 1 minute more. Then I will ask answer. Okay. Okay. Let me check. What should be the answer? Okay, let me. Ronit, please write in power. What is the power of 10? Yes, Dayan. No, Dayan. Yes, Dayan, you are correct. Arman Gupta, correct. Pranit, wrong. Anshul, correct. Kabir Singh, correct. Arman, correct. Ronit Singh, पता नहीं क्या लिखे हो, इतना जीरो मैं नहीं काउंट करने जा रहा. जस्ट राइट इन पावर. तन्वी, wrong. वेदन, वेदन संगल, Ronit, Ronit, ध्रुव ठक्कर, okay, wrong, okay. 10 to the power 13 is the correct answer. 10 to the power 13 is the correct answer. Okay, find the value of x. So now let me convert. Kg, we know 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram, and 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 1 kg is equal to how many gram? So 1000 into gram. 1 multiply करना है, तो this is 1000 milligram. So that will be 10 to the power 6 milligram. So 1 kg is equal to 10 to the power 6 milligram. Okay. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 into 1000 millimeter. So 10 to the power 6 millimeter. Okay. Now put kg को मिलीग्राम में रखें तो केजी को मिलीग्राम में रखेंगे कितना 10 to the power 6 divided by मिलीमीटर को किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो 1 millimeter is equal to what 1 by 10 to the power 6 kilometer. Okay, so millimeter just put it here, so 1 by 10 to the power 6 kilometer, this is milligram. So you will get 10 into 10 to the power 6, and this will also move up, so into 10 to the power 6 milligram by kilometer. So this is 10 to the power 13 milligram by kilometer. So x is equal to 10 to the power 13. Those who don't know mathematics will face problem. How to add, how to divide, how to just note it down. Just note it down. Quick. Okay. Noted, everyone. One more question. Any doubt in this question? If you have, please ask. Any doubt in this question? Waiting. Okay. No doubt then. 100 milligram kg, sorry, milligram centimeter minute to convert kg meter per second. This is equal to x itna. X is equal to what? What is the value of x?
Sir, what is after milligram? Sir,
Yes,
sir, what is after milligram? 100 milligram.
centimeter.
Okay, sir.
Milligram centimeter by minute.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Solve it. Giving you 2 more minutes. Solve. Hundred mg centimeter upon minute. ओके, सो mg को किस में कन्वर्ट करना है, किलोमीटर, सेंटीमीटर को मीटर, मिनट को सेकंड, बिकॉज अब we already know 1 kg is equal to 10 to the power 6 milligram, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 60 second is equal to 1 minute. Okay, so 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minute. Okay, no need to convert this. Okay, okay, so milligram, so 1 milligram is equal to what, 1 milligram, 1 milligram is equal to what, 1 by 10 to the power 6 kg. Okay, so just put it here, so 100 milligram का जगह 1 by 10 to the power 6 kg into centimeter, so 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter, so 1 by 100 meter, put 1 by 100 meter divided by minute, just convert minute into the second, so just convert minute into the second, so if you just convert the minute into second you will get 60 second. Okay, so if you calculate this, how much you will get, 100 gets cancelled out. Okay, so 1 by 6 into 10 to the power minus 7 kg meter per second. Correct? Minus 7, not 7. Yes, if you are just writing it in denominator, then it is correct. Okay. Yes, Priyan.
Sir, but I got 10 raised to 9 divided by 6.
How? 10 raised to 9 divided by 6.
Sir, first you convert kg, milligram into kg, which will be 10 raised to 6. तो 10 लाख हो जाएगा.
Okay,
और बाद में मीटर इंटू सेंटीमीटर 100.
what is 100 meter है ना, so centimeter 1 by 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So just
Yes,
convert.
sir.
So that's 100 gets cancelled out. So you will get what, 1 by 10 to the power 6 only, and divided by 60.
Sir, but everyone also wrote 10 raised to 9 divided by 6.
No, wrong.
Hello?
Wrong.
Oh, okay.
Adhiraj.
Sir, I didn't understand the second last step.
Which one?
100 into 1 upon 10 raised to 6 kg into 1 upon 100 milligram is equal to 1 upon 6 into 10 raised to minus 7. How?
This is a mathematical part. Just go through the mathematics. 100 gets cancelled out. 100 gets cancelled out. So 1 by 10 to the power 6 into 60. So 10 to the power 6 here 1 0. So you will get 1 by 6 into 10 to the power 7. So 1 by 6 into 10 to the power minus 7 is the answer. Okay, this is exponent. Okay, now?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Amay.
the question?
Yes.
So please explain again the question. Answer.
Okay. Which part do you want me to explain?
Second step.
Second step. Here milligram has to be converted into the kg, centimeter has to be converted into the meter, minute must be converted into the second. So here 1 milligram, so 1 milligram is equal to kg. So I converted 1 milligram is equal to 10 to the power 6 kg. So I just put 1 by 10 to the power 6 kg here. 1 centimeter, so just convert centimeter into the meter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So I just put it here 1 meter. So minute into the second, convert minute into the second. So 1 minute is equal to how much second? 60. So that's how I converted 60. So after the calculation you will get this answer. Any doubt again?
No, sir.
Any doubt here? Please ask.
Unmute हो रहा है?
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So should I move? Now next part is dimensional analysis. So we have already done the conversion of unit. All are the examples of conversion of units. Okay, so convert one unit to another unit. So now I'm going to discuss so you must remember the table given in your book module actually. Q 10 to the power 1 is equal to deca, 10 to the power 2 is equal to hecto. What is the prefix? Okay, so 10 to the power 12 is equal to pico होता है, 10 to the power minus 15 is equal to femto होता है, 10 to the power minus 18 is equal to atto होता है, 10 to the power minus 2 centi, 10 to the power minus 3 milli, 10 to the power 6 micro, 10 to the power minus 9 nano. So you have to just remember this. Okay, then you will be able to convert one unit into another unit. What is that? Vedant? What is that? Ovima Sindenu Nani? What is the meaning of this sentence? Okay, let me check. Let me check the meaning. Ovina. Ovaima. I have just taken the screenshot. Don't worry. What is that? What is the meaning of that sentence? Vedant. Is okay. It's a meme. Good. Okay. So now dimension analysis. dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis. Okay. So can anyone define what is the dimensional analysis? What do you mean by the dimensional analysis? Dimensional analysis में dimensional formula and second is dimensions. Suppose I am saying a rod has length 5 centimeter, a rod has length 1 meter, a rod has length 1 kilometer, a rod has length 5 nanometer, a rod has length 5 picometer. So what is common in between them? What is common? If I am saying 1 centimeter, all are measuring length. All are actually measuring length with different units. Okay. Suppose I am saying millimeter. So of course, millimeter is the length. If I am saying micrometer, it is also a length. If I am saying kilometer, it is also measuring length. Okay. So of course, a rod length in different unit may be different. Suppose if I am saying 1 centimeter, so in meter this will be 100 meter. Okay. If I am saying it in kilometers, so that will be this itna kilometer. So of course in different unit is different but length is same. So unit is different but we are actually measuring the length. So dimension analysis is that type. If you are measuring length, then it indicates length. If you are measuring time, of course unit may be different but you are actually measuring the physical quantity. Which physical quantity? Actually time. If you are measuring mass, so kilogram, kg, pound, you can measure in different unit but actually you are measuring what? Which physical quantity? Mass. Okay. So simply you can write it as m is the physical dimensional formula of the mass. This is a particular notation we give to the fundamental quantities. So we already discussed the fundamental quantities. So let us define the dimensional formula. Expression which expresses a physical quantity which expresses a physical quantity into so expression which expresses a physical quantity in terms of fundamental quantities. We already did the fundamental quantities. Fundamental mental quantities is called The dimensional formula is called the dimensional formula of the physical quantity. Dimensional formula of the physical quantity. Physical quantity. Example. We write mass. This is the fundamental quantity as capital M. Length as L. Capital L. Okay. Time as capital T. And all other things as it is. Okay. We only write three in such a way. If you are writing current, suppose I am writing current, this is ampere A. If I am writing temperature, so temperature is also fundamental. This will be K. Kelvin, temperature, current is ampere. All are same. Amount of substance is mole. Okay. And CD is the candela, unit of luminous intensity. Yes, Priyan.
सर बट टेम्परेचर इज आल्सो सेल्सियस एंड फ़ारेनहाइट, तो C या F भी होना चाहिए.
नहीं, अपन केल्विन में, केल्विन इज a standard unit. Mole, MOL, amount of substance, not E. This is a mole. Okay. CD, candela. But we will only use M, L, and T. Okay. All four quantities are same as it is. Okay. So we don't consider it. आपके क्लास में ये आएगा भी नहीं, ठीक है ना. MLT सिर्फ आपको जानना है, ज्यादा नहीं. यस कबीर.
सर मास को तो हम केजी भी लिख सकते हैं ना.
Which one? G.
केजी.
No. In dimensional formula we define M, capital M.
Okay.
In dimensional formula we define mass as capital M, length as capital L, time as capital T. Okay. Current as A, temperature as K.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Aditya.
Sir, we will derive all the formulas of the derived quantities by using M, L, and T only, no?
Yes.
And what about the four more fundamental quantities that are
We will
current,
not.
temperature,
No, we will
mole,
not
and
discuss in your class. Okay.
candela?
Yes. This is not in your class. Okay. We will only discuss the M, L, and T.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Vedin.
So dimensional quantities are only mass, length, and time. I mean, dimensional formulas only for mass, length, and time.
No. Dimensional formula is valid for every physical quantity, but for your class, we will only use MLT.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, let's move. Suppose derived quantity. I'm just going to the derived quantity. A speed is equal to meter per second. A speed can have the unit of meter per second, centimeter per hour, can have kilometer per hour, can have anything. Okay. Millimeter per second, anything it can have. A speed can have different units. But meter is a measurement of length. Meter is a measurement of actually what? Length. So you can write it as L divided by time is T. This is T. No, centimeter is a length upon time. Kilometer is a length of L by T. This is also L by T. So dimensional formula is same, of course, for different units, but unit is different. You can see this is meter per second, this is centimeter per hour, this is kilometer per hour, this is millimeter per second. So of course units are same, units are different, but dimensional formula are same. So you can also write it as what is the doubt? अब तुरंत में डाउट क्या आ गया? ये समय
सर सेंटीमीटर अपॉन आर के बाद क्या है? सेंटीमीटर अपॉन आर.
where centimeter upon hour HR
नहीं सर, मेरा
R.
मतलब ओनली तो सेंटीमीटर अपॉन आवर के बाद क्या है?
उसके बाद क्या है? किलोमीटर अपॉन आवर,
किलोमीटर.
then millimeter per second, millimeter by second. So different units, length can be expressed in different units, and time can also be expressed in different units, but the dimension formula will be same. Okay, understood?
ओके सर.
What is the doubt? Within
So I didn't raise my hand.
now force is equal to what? Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. So mass can be expressed m, capital M, and acceleration has the unit what? Acceleration has the unit meter per second square. Meter per second square. Acceleration has the unit of meter per second square. Meter is the length, so L, and S is the time, so time square, L by T square. So what is the dimension formula of acceleration is L by T square. So L by T square. So you can also write it as MLT to the power minus 2. Okay. So force has the dimension formula of what? MLT minus 2. Any doubt here? Any doubt here? If you have doubt, please ask. If you have doubt, please ask. Now, suppose I am writing a speed. A speed has the dimension formula as what? LT minus 1. Okay. You can also write it in MLT form. MLT form. This is a standard form. MLT. First M, then L, then T. So if you want to write a speed in MLT form, you can write M to the power 0, LT minus 1. This is actually LT minus 1. But if you want to write the speed in MLT form, then you can write it as M to the power 0, L, T to the power minus 1. Understood? Suppose I am saying a speed has the dimension formula. A speed has the dimension formula. Dimensional formula of m to the power a, l to the power b, t to the power c. Then a plus b plus c is equal to कितना होगा? What is the value of a plus b plus c? Now you can compare. A will be 0, b will be 1, and c will be minus 1. So if you are adding 0 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so value of a plus b plus c will be 0. Understood? Okay. Yes, they are. Yes, they are.
Yes, sir. Sir, how in the speed dimension formula of speed mass came?
No, if you want to write in MLT form, then you can write it as m to the power. If anything has power 0, then it will be 1, na?
Yeah.
So you can write it.
Okay, sir. And if the power a plus b plus c is 0, so directly the MLT is equals to 1, right?
And tell me again.
A plus b plus c is equals to 0. So the MLT ka whole power is 0. So the multiplication
No,
answer.
no. If suppose I am just writing a speed has the dimension formula of this, then you will have to compare m to the power 0, l to the power 1, t to the power minus 1. So a is the place of 0, b is in the place of 1, and c is in the place of minus 1. So a has is 0, b has the value of 1, and c has the value of 1 minus 1. So if you add a plus b plus c, you will get 0 value.
Okay.
This is
Okay,
not
sir.
with the power.
Okay.
Understood? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
हाँ सर, आपने LT के बाद में -1 ही क्यों लिखा?
क्या?
आपने LT के बाद -1 ही क्यों लिखा स्पीड का डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला में?
Where?
ऊपर इधर.
यहाँ पे ये.
हाँ, यस सर.
So what is the L by T na? So you can write LT to the power minus 1.
हाँ सर, पर प्रोसीजर क्या है?
Nothing. Mathematics. L by T you can write it as LT to the power minus 1. The mathematics.
बट -2 भी आ सकता है ना, मतलब.
Why?
Oh.
Why minus 2? How?
So not in this one, in other dimensional formulas.
Yes. Other dimension में आएगा.
So तो उधर -2 क्यों आता है?
Minus तो different examples में different होगा ना. यहाँ पे -2 आ गया क्योंकि यहाँ पे acceleration था. तो different units have the different dimension. Different physical quantity can have the different dimension.
Okay sir, thank you.
Okay. Dimensions of dimensional formula. Of dimensional formula. So, dimension of the dimensional formula is the power of the fundamental quantities. Power of the fundamental quantities. Quantity in the dimensional formula is the dimension of that physical quantity. Understood? पहले definition लिख लो, उसके बाद बता रहा हूँ. First write the definition, then I will explain, please. Suppose force has the dimension mlt to the power minus 1 2. Okay, force has the dimension mlt to the power minus 2. So first m, then l, and then t. Dimension. So dimension of m. So dimension of m here is 1. What is the power? 1. Dimension of l is equal to 1. Dimension of t is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now if you want to write dimension of force, if you want to write dimension of force, so write it 1 1 minus 2 1 1 minus 2. Let it comma बीच में डाल दो. MLT form. In MLT form, MLT के form में डालना है. M, L, and then T. What is the power of M? What is the power of L? And what is the power of T? So these are the dimension of M is 1, dimension of L is 1, dimension of T is minus 2. So just write dimension of force will be MLT form. So it will be 1 1 minus 2. So if someone is saying the dimension of any physical quantity, suppose I am just giving you example. Dimension of any physical quantity is 1 1 minus 2. It means that m to the power 1, l to the power 1, and t to the power minus 2. You will have to write like this. So m, l, t to the power minus 2 is the formula, and this is the dimension of force. So that physical quantity will be force. Okay. In question, suppose this is the dimension is given of the physical quantity, so you will have to write in this way, and that is the dimension formula of the force. Okay, let me go to the previous page. Aditya.
Sir, it should always be in MLT form only, no?
Yes, MLT form only.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt? Any doubt? Go to the next page. Any doubt here? Next is what is the dimension of a speed? So you have a speed is equal to what? Lt to the power -1. So you can write it as m to the power 0 Lt -1. So dimension of a speed will be 0, 1, -1. Understood? Okay, so do we have to solve the booklet question for the chapter until here? Yeah. Next example. Let me give you one more example. Density is equal to mass by volume. Mass is measured m, volume is measured in length. Volume is length into breadth into height. So length is also measured in meter. Length, breadth is also a meter, and height is also a meter. So length into length into length. So length cube. So L cube. Okay, L cube will be the volume. So dimensional formula for density will be m L minus 3 t to the power 0. Okay, because you can write it as m L minus 3. Okay, MLT form, and the dimension of density will be 1 minus 3 0. 1 minus 3 0. Understood? Volume is what? Cube, no? Meter cube is the volume. So meter cube means what? L cube, no? Understood, everyone? Example. F is equal to, suppose I am saying F is equal to kx square. Find the dimension of dimensional formula of K if X is distance and F is the force. Solve this question. F is equal to kx square is given. So F is the force, X is the distance, and find the dimensional formula of K. Yes, we take it from the denominator. Solve this, giving you 2 minutes. Solved. No, 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 no. I want dimensional formula, not the dimension. Pranit. गलत है. नो 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 नो, अभी तक किसी का सही नहीं आया. वेटिंग. यस, किसका है? अंशुल. यस अंशुल, यू आर करेक्ट. Yes, Anshul, you are correct. Now let me discuss. F is equal to kx square, so k will be f by x square. So you know the dimensional formula of f. F is what? mlt to the power minus 2. Already done. X square, x is the distance, so distance is measured in L square, so L square. Okay, here 1L is here and 2L is here. और कहाँ गया? 1L is here and 2L is here, so 1L gets cancelled out. So this will be m t to the power minus 2 upon L. So you will get ml minus 1 t minus 2. So dimension this is the dimension formula. Dimension of k will be 1 minus 1 and minus 2. That is it. This is correct. Yes, Dhruv.
Sir, in a chat you check, I gave the same answer.
Okay, then you are correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay. One more question. V is equal to kx. V is equal to kx, where V is the speed and x is distance. Then the dimensional formula of k. फॉर्मूला मैंने पूछा है, ध्यान रखना. Okay, done. Yes, velocity and speed has the same unit. The speed and velocity both has the same unit. हो गया? Everyone done with this? Okay. This is a speed. So k is equal to v by x. V is what? Yes. V is lt minus 1 upon x is the distance. So L gets cancelled out. So k has t to the power minus 1. So you can write m to the power 0, L to the power 0, t to the power minus 1. So you can write dimension. This is the dimension formula, and dimension is 0, 0, minus 1. This is the dimension of k. Dimension of k. Okay, check your answer. Okay.
सर अगर L और L दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो L का 0 होगा ना?
0 नहीं लिखा है
सिर्फ पूछ रहा था।
तो कैंसिल हो गया ना. मैथमेटिक्स आपको अभी
Yes, sir.
मैथमेटिक्स आई थिंक यू विल बी रीडिंग exponent, I think, in mathematics. So L in denominator and L in numerator will get cancelled out. So what will be the power of L? That will be 0.
L raised to 0.
Yes, that's only the mathematics, nothing
I
else.
got confused because L raised to 0 is any number 0 is raised to 0 is 1.
Sir, can you re-explain this problem?
Which one?
This
Which
one.
Okay, so which part?
Sir, I didn't understand it from the starting itself.
So V kx. So I just want to find the what is the dimension of k. So k can be written as v by x. We know what is the dimensional formula of v. Lt minus 1. We know that x is the distance. So x is distance. So L. So Lt minus 1 divided by L. So L gets cancelled out. So you will only get t minus 1. So t minus, but we want to just write in MLT form. So m to the power 0, L to the power 0, and t is here. So t to the power minus 1. Correct. Dimension formula of k 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any doubt? Calculation doubt नहीं बताऊंगा. Just ask your genuine doubt, conceptual doubt, Not calculation doubt. Any doubt? Please ask. Okay. Now tell me, can we add kg with meter? 5 kg plus 5 meter. What is the value? 5 kg plus 5 meter is what? Yes, we can't add. Two different physical quantity cannot be added simultaneously. Can we multiply 5 kg into 5 meter? Yes, we can multiply and divide, but we cannot add and subtract. Okay, two different physical quantity cannot be added or subtracted, but we can multiply and divide. So let's write two different quantity cannot be added or subtracted, but can be multiplied and divided. Suppose I am writing A is equal to B plus C. Then dimension of A, dimension of B, and dimension of C must be same. Plus minus, whether we are adding or subtracting doesn't matter. If you are adding or subtracting, the physical quantity must be same. So dimension of A, B, and C must be same. Dimension बोलो या फिर unit must be same. But the same unit was the same physical quantity. No same physical quantity. Two different physical quantity can have the same unit. Okay, two different physical quantity can have the two same unit. So I am not asking. That's why I wrote different physical quantity. So two different physical quantity can have same unit. Okay, two different physical quantity can have same unit. So that's why two different physical quantities cannot be added or subtracted. Okay. तो दो फिजिकल सेम फिजिकल क्वांटिटी है तो ऐड भी हो जाएगा. केजी है, केजी के साथ ऐड होगा. ठीक है ना. केजी है तो मीटर के साथ नहीं ऐड हो सकता, टाइम के साथ नहीं ऐड हो सकता. ओके. सपोज आई एम राइटिंग A is equal to B plus okay. Suppose I am adding A plus B plus C plus D plus A plus B plus C. Let me give you one example. X is equal to Y plus ZW. So X must have the same unit, Y must have the same unit, and ZW must have the same unit. X Y and ZW must have this, must be same physical quantity, same physical quantity. ZW must be same physical quantity. Understood? You can add only kg to kg, not with meter. Okay, understood everyone? Any doubt till here? Yes, Dayan.
Sir, if the question is 2 kg is equal to 1 kg plus 800 grams plus 200 grams, so we can add, no?
No, same
If
physical quantity but same unit.
same unit is also necessary.
Yes, 1 kg को 800 ग्राम से ऐड कर दोगे. You will have to convert the gram into kg first.
Okay.
Any other doubts? Waiting for your doubts. Any other doubts, please ask. Good. क्या बात है? आजकल डाउट ही नहीं होते हैं. Okay, that's good. Now, is it necessary that Z will have the same unit? Z will have this same unit as of Y and X? No. Z may have the same unit as of Y and X, but ZW must have the same unit compared to Y and X. Okay. Suppose I am giving you one example. Giving you one example. Okay. Maximum number reached. Giving you S is equal to UT plus half a t square. Half a t square. Here S is suppose the distance. S is distance. Half has no unit. Constant has no unit. Constant, so no unit. Constant का कोई unit नहीं होता. Constant has the value, no unit. Now, UT and AT square must have the same unit. UT and AT square and S must have same unit. Okay, agree? Do you agree? UT and UT कॉमा डाल दो बीच में. AT square and S must have the same unit. Okay. अभी बताया कि ये और ये इसका यूनिट्स क्या होगा, सेम होगा. नाउ मतलब कि s has the same unit as compare unit of s, so you can write unit of s is same as unit of ut, unit of unit of ut you can write. So s is equal to ut, you can write s जो है s का unit और ut का unit same है, तो s has the unit what length, s has the unit length, distance है ना, so l must be equal to u into t is the time, t is the time, so u into t, so u must have the unit l by t, or you can write is lt to the power minus 1. So what is u? U is a speed actually, understood? U is actually speed. Can you see? Any doubt here? Any doubt? Of course, that's why I told you, no, कि two different quantities may be multiplied and divided, but cannot be added. तो दो different quantities जैसे u और t जो है वो multiply हो सकता है, लेकिन add नहीं हो सकता. So u and t, u और t मिल करके क्या दे रहा है? s दे रहा है. Of course दोनों multiply हो करके उसको s देना होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि s has the unit of distance, so ut must have the unit of distance, and at square must have the unit of distance. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या है? Same quantity must be added, so s is equal to ut plus half at. कोई भी कांस्टेंट का यूनिट नहीं होता, तो ये कांस्टेंट है, यूनिट नहीं है, तो s का जो यूनिट है वो ut का यूनिट होगा और at स्क्वायर का यूनिट होगा. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि u का यूनिट होगा, नो, s का जो यूनिट है वो ut का यूनिट होगा और at स्क्वायर का यूनिट होगा, क्योंकि ut और at स्क्वायर इज एडेड, सो s मस्ट हैव द सेम यूनिट एज ut. तो मतलब कि s का जो यूनिट है वो ut का भी यूनिट होना चाहिए, तो s हैज द यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ. व्हाई? बिकॉज़ इट इज अ डिस्टेंस, सो लेंथ का यूनिट है, और u और t जो है वो टाइम है, तो यू कैन राइट इट एज t. तो u का जो यूनिट होगा वो l डिवाइडेड बाय t, और यू कैन राइट इट एज lt टू द पावर -1. अंडरस्टूड? एनी डाउट हियर? नो डाउट ना? अब similarly at square must has the same unit of s. s का यूनिट क्या है? l है, and at square must have the same unit, so a into time का यूनिट है t square, so you can write as l by t square, so you can write lt to the power -2. So a must has the unit of must have the dimension formula of lt to the power -2, so lt to the power -2 has the dimension of what? Acceleration, so a will be acceleration actually. Okay, any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Please ask. If you have any doubt, please ask. If you have any doubt, please ask. If you have any doubt, please ask. So noted, everyone. Any doubt? Yes, Tanvi.
Sir, S can also be set as the displacement.
Yes, S is actually displacement, but I told you distance. I'm actually teaching the dimensional formula, okay, not the equation of motion.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me give you two or three problems. Question: ax by bx plus t square. What is the dimension of a comma b, a and b, if s is distance, if s is distance, a is sorry s is distance, x is also distance, and t is time. Question. Second question. Two question for assignment, home assignment. F is equal to x ax square by ut plus c, ut plus c, where where f is force, x is distance, u is a speed. Then find dimensional formula of a comma c, a and c, a and c. Find the dimension formula of a and c, a and c. And t is time, actually t is time, t is time, t is time. t जो है वो क्या है, टाइम है. This two question is a for home assignment. Okay, understood?